Little star.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you. Oh no, sorry, hon, I can't make it. Oh, well, of course I want to come dancing with you, but Dave wouldn't give me the night off work. Oh, I'll have my party next week, I guess, but look, I better go before he catches me. Yeah, you too. Yeah, love you. Bye, bye. Bye. Oh, great. What do they want now? Hi, Dave.
What do you mean, hi, Dave?
Listen, Tinkerbell, you're not at art school now, all right? You're a security guard. And you've been told to say...
Roger, guard 3 speaking. Come in, over.
Oh, sorry.
It's 12:05. You were supposed to report in at midnight. Well, what happened this time?
I just forgot. Sorry.
So have you got anything to report?
No, everything's really great. But I was...
You mean situation normal?
Over.
Hello? Dave? Hello? But you want to get out of your box too, don't you? Hello? Hello, is anybody... What? Where is it? Hey, look! This isn't funny! They'll give me the sack! Hello? 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 Oh no! Where has she got to? Hey look! You're not allowed down here! It's dangerous! Hey, come back! Oh, hello? Oh, look, this isn't funny, you know. Oh, if only I knew the number. Oh, this is stupid. He'll never guess it. Oh. You idiot, Chloe. Oh, great. Hello, Dave. Situation not so normal, I'm afraid. Over. What? Who's Marie Van G? My dear little Chloe, don't be upset. Just do this sum and see what you get. Think of a number from 1 to 10, add 44 and 3, then remove your number, just add 4, then type the result to open the door. This must be one of Dave's jokes. But Dave doesn't make jokes or write poems. Come on, Chloe. You can work it out. Nice one. Wow. Don't worry now, Chloe. Let's have fun instead. You'll find your next clue inside a doll's head. A doll's head? In here? Okay. Let's see if I can find it.